You can see the numbers.
So your ticket, please.
Yeah. You can see the.
I can't see this fella. Sorry.
Last day.
Yes,
Last day.
last day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kapun.
Bye.
We have tickets the third day and the last day of temple tour. It has been raining and we don't know what to do. But we still got our umbrella. We got shade in the tuk-tuk. We got all of that, but it's raining, it's pouring. Here lightning, thundering, heavy rain. Doesn't look like it's a good day. Wait, let's just go to the first temple and see. Yeah, the rains are really very heavy. How is one supposed to take photos here in this rain? Yeah, so there's an umbrella inside the tuk-tuk now. We are still contemplating whether we should go back or not to go back, but we'll try, we'll risk it. We'll get there and see what the scene is like, and then we'll decide. The rain just got worse. Huh? Okay. So we are going back to the hotel. It is a shit show outside. Everything is closed. And Preen can barely see. We can barely see.
Driving at about 10 kilometers.
Yeah, so we're driving at around 10 kilometers an hour in this tuk-tuk. So yeah, we just decided to go back to the hotel and stay indoors. Probably go swimming in the rain. Okay, I'll see you later. Can you hear that? It's lightning and thundering like this, non-stop. I think whoever is going to the temples has stopped on the way, because there's just no way of going. A lot of people have left temples and come back.
Yeah.
We have just stopped. The rain has just stopped.
Where are we going? That side?
Yeah. Good side. The one that goes to the
Can you show me which one, please?
the first hand. I think not the
He is wet. He's been driving in the rain. Unreal. The rains are insane.
not the
No.
So we're deciding if we should go to another temple.
He reckons it's not raining there. You want to try it?
If finally it's opening up, and we decided we'll go to one temple, at least one out of the 5 that we wanted to go today. So let's see where he's taking.
We don't give up.
We don't
We
give
don't
up.
give up. We persist.
We just want to go to some temple today. Okay, so we finally did make it to Pre-Roop temple before the rain start coming in. It's just a quick in and out. Ooh, and I'm wearing chappal. As Louis said, at the end of the day, all the temples start looking the same. So yeah, we are here at Pre-Roop. Okay, I'm gonna quickly just show you around, and then we're gonna go. Okay, bye. And we have come to another temple. Look at the weather. Yeah, it is so pakao. It's not letting us take any videos, no photos, no nothing. It's the moment we start taking a video, it starts raining. The moment we start taking a photo, it starts raining. So now I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to show you around and take you away with me. Okay, let's go. Finally, we have left to go back to the hotel. Don't think it's going to stop raining today. I mean, we did about what, 3 temples, and I think that's about it for today. Okay, guys. Peace out.